Hi there, welcome to the weekly Tron Wyckoff wild speculation session. We're looking at the weekly chart, quite busy chart of Tron. Before getting into the details, these sessions are not financial advice and they're for education and research purpose only. Your comments and discussions, however, are very welcome, so let's get started. Tron, having demonstrated a couple of signs of weaknesses, given the crazy tariff week, it's got some relatively good news to get pushed above this purple line. However, be very careful that this may not last. And it happened here. So let's assume that it's still going to trade between the purple and yellow line if there's no more good news coming in. If there are good news coming in further, then obviously it can test the red line at 26 cents. That's the macro setting for Tron. In terms of volume, it's still not very crazy. Relatively average, I would say. If we go to the daily chart, because of what happened over the last few days, it's got a push to go above this downward trending or playground zone, this downward trading range, or you'd like to say playground zone. However, let's look at the pink box. The price is still trading pretty much within the lower half of the pink box, so let's expect that this bottom of the pink box, the 22 cents, and the mid line 26 cents would be the support and the resistance, at least for the short term, until it comes back to retest this support line again, or if very good news comes out, it has this resistance line at around 26 cents. If we just look at the volume, it has obviously come back down to the average like we had over the last 2 weeks since March 20th, so it's pretty much at that level. So unless people are getting excited again, otherwise this kind of volume isn't going to push this price to a very crazy level. That's pretty much we are able to see for Tron. If I take a look at the line chart, obviously you can draw a flag, a mini upward flag over here, and expecting it to come down again, like the bearish flag, and then bearish action, similar to this period over here. There's a drop afterwards. So we've got a little bit of climb, there may be a little bit of drop that comes next. So if you're a short-term trader, you already know this trick, so I won't go any further. Let's head to the